Our episode is sponsored by LasFit. They are one of the best LED bulb dealers I've ever dealt with. They have answered every question I have, and their bulbs so far have turned out pretty awesome. What's going on, guys? My name's Wade. Welcome to episode 2 on Rusty Nut Media Channel. But before we get started, I've got to get some heat going in the wood burning stove back here. It's cold today in Texas, so it's it's a whopping, I think it's like 33 now. That's cold for around here. So let's get that started. So today we're going to be installing our reverse lights and our running lights and brake light LED bulbs from LasFit in our 2019 Ram. That's right, I got my sweatpants on. Cold outside. But in case you're wondering, the first step of this video is opening the tailgate. Kind of simple. The next step of this whole deal is, like I said, we're going to take this cable off. I'm going to show you some real time, because sometimes it's not as easy as everybody makes it look. So, kind of got to hold the tailgate up. Make sure not crush your cell phone because it's still sitting on there. And you're just going to drop this again. Like so. And you let it dangle. Sometimes it's not always the angle of the dangle. Well, now here comes the fun part. Because, see, I've already shot this video once. I've already shot the video once. However, I shot it on my phone. Now I have a big fancy camera that lets you see everything in detail. Like, everything in detail. So, I gotta go back and find the video of this, but I'm still gonna tell you how to do it with the good camera, because the other camera is just, it's crappy. So here's what we got. I'm gonna zoom in. Let's look here. Alright, we've got these little plastic things. These guys gotta come out. As you can tell, I broke mine. It's real life. I'm not some big company that has all the tools here. I use a pair of pliers and a flat head. So, don't be me. Get the right tools. Alright, so, there you go. So we got to get this guy out. The plastic tabs come out. There's also one in the bottom. Then these two screws come out. These two screws. They are a T25. T25. Let me get it back here. Did I say it enough? It's a T25. What I ended up actually using was an Allen key, because I found every Torx bit other than the T25. So, again, don't be like me. Some of you might be wondering why I could not find my T25 bit. Long story short, this is what my toolbox looks like currently, and my 12-second closet. That's all my small Torx bits. They're all here. These don't even work. Then wrenches. And then this one up here is just slap full of crap. I was laid up in the hospital for a little bit because I got hit by a truck on my motorcycle. Long story short is that I know I have a T25 somewhere because I was using it probably a couple days before I got hit by the truck. And I can't find it. And my shop is still an absolute wreck. So, that's the story. I mean, look, I don't even know what socket this is. Look at that, I just saw something. This place is a complete wreck. I don't even think it'll focus. Will it focus? Let's zoom out and focus, look. There it is. Look at it, look at it. It's probably a dang 10 millimeter. Holy crap, hey, I'm just gonna say this. If that's a 10 millimeter, I'm gonna be mad because I was looking for it too. Thank y'all for watching episode number 2. Please like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Check the description down below for a link to LasFit for all of their LED bulbs that they offer for the 2019 Ram and the rest of the Rams. I've been running these bulbs for probably 3 weeks now. Have not had an issue at all. And they're awesome. They're very budget friendly and they work. That's what we're all about. We're all about stuff that works, that doesn't break the bank. Like I said, hit that notification bell so you get all the updates. Like and subscribe. Come hang out, guys. Thank y'all. Peace.